This is called Yoga Prarambhik Sthiti. Prarambhik Sthiti is starting position in seated position. For doing seated asanas, we start with this asana named Prarambhik Sthiti. This Prarambhik Sthiti also has few benefits to it. From the Prarambhik Sthiti, we take our left leg towards our back, and then next coming to the right leg, we take it behind our back. We spread the ankles, we spread the heels outward, and we should press the left thumb, left toe by using our right toe, and then sit upright with our spine held straight. Sit with a relaxed attitude, Sthira Sukham Asanam. So this is called Vajrasan. Men should leave few space between both their knees. Sit relaxed. This asana is called Vajrasan. You can keep the hands in any mudra or keep as it is. For beginners, when people are overweight, they can start by sitting in a soft surface, soft cushiony surface. If there is pain felt in the ankle joint, you can roll a blanket and keep it below the ankle joint. For people who cannot keep their hips touched to the ankle joint, can keep a pillow in between our buttocks and the ankle joint. Slowly reduce the pillow size so that you get adapted to this Vajrasan. You can also start by sitting in Vajrasan with wall support. Slowly, wall support will not be required. I suggest you to sit in Vajrasan after having each meal, 5 to 10 minutes, using pillows or something. Sit minimum for 5 to 10 minutes. You will see the benefits. You will see the digestion becomes strong and food gets digested properly, and it takes lesser time for the food to get digested. Now the next thing I will teach you is that how to relieve heaviness and bloatedness instantly. Sit in Vajrasan and keep your palms on the thighs. And first thing is do to and fro motion, forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 times. And then after that, sideways. 1, 2, 3, slowly. 4. Then the sideways movement, you can do it 60 times. And you will be amazed. Once you do this, you will see digestion becoming rapidly. You will see few burps coming out and you will feel lighter and lighter. Once you start to do this every time, your metabolism gets rapidly higher. How much ever you eat, it gets digested properly. So, next technique. This technique adds to the previous technique. There are 2 nadis in our body, Surya Nadi and Chandra Nadi. For digestion to become stronger, Surya Nadi should be activated. Keep the right hand in Adi Mudra and keep it below the left armpit, and keep the other hand below the elbow. This left hand has no significance. This right hand should press the armpit. Once you do this, you will see the swara, the nostril change to right. The Surya Nadi will become activated. And once you are in this position, do the same to and fro motion, forward and backward, 60 times, and then sideways 60 times. You will see virya, the potency of this vajrasan, will be increased 3 times. Thank you. Let's see in the next classes.